name is Cindy.
And my name is Emily. Nice to meet you.
So now we'll make the brief introduction about our company. We are specialized in plastic and mold for 40 years. We have a we cooperate with P&G.
Yes. And
You can see
this is P&G.
Simmons
And this is Simmons.
and Morgans.
And this is Walmart.
So okay, you can see this is the companies we cooperate, and
Yes.
and now we have 150 employees, and we have a strong engineers. Now we have 10 engineers. So you can see our engineer team.
Yes. Oh, I think I forgot our engineers team picture.
Okay, don't worry, I will show
sorry.
you. So you guys will see our engineer team next show.
Yes.
Okay. So we have the 21 sales. So our sales team.
This is our sales team.
So basically, this is about our company. And Emily.
Yes. What will you show us today?
Okay. First we will show you about our facility. Okay. So the guys can show us engineer team.
Oh, seems the picture has
Thank
been
you.
on.
Yes, this is our engineer team.
Yes.
Okay. And first we will show you our facility.
Yes. Just follow my step. I will show you guys our raw processing workshop. Follow my step. I will be your guide today. Wow. Have you heard the noise? The vibration of our machines. We have arrived at our workshop. These are all the monsters. Heavy guys, heavy machines. Look at this side. These four are all our grinding machines. They could control the precision within 0.01 millimeter to 0.02 millimeter. And normally we use them to precise flat surface. I think you guys may have very high requirements for precision. So I think to use this grinding machine is a good option. Wow, look at this one. Our worker is operating this grinding machine. Look at these spikes. They're so beautiful, so exciting. It's a process of making a mold. Oh, look at this guy. His face is so serious. That respects our attitude to business. We are professional and serious about production. This is our largest grinding machine. Our grinding machine could not only precise hard materials as well as flexible materials such as glass and granite. Okay, let's move to this machine. Just follow my step. This machine is a bit different from last machine. It's a moulding machine. The function is to making holes as well as side. Normally, it operates with the rotation, the high rotation of the moulding cutter. It operates now to make the holes. The precision could be controlled within 0.01 millimeter, and they are very easy to operate. This machine is the moulding machine as well. For following two machines, they are all moulding machines. They are used for raw processing procedure at the beginning. As we all know, at the beginning, the material are only stills. They are not shaped yet. After raw processing, they could be semi-finished products. Oh, look at this, our last machine. This is a drilling machine. This is a drilling cutter to make holes. This machine has a disadvantage that its efficiency is not very high. So all above is about rough processing procedure. So following, I will let my colleague Cindy welcome.
Yes.
She will introduce you guys for higher level of production for CNC procession. Let me move the stage to her.
Okay, so basically for this room, we have seen these are rough machines. So next step we will see the more heavier machine, that is for the CNC and ELEM machines. So you guys please follow me this way please. Here you can see this, we have 6 CNC machines, and these two machines is our CNC engraving and milling machines. So you guys can see this is the CNC machines is machining. So please close to the mold. So you can see this is machining the brace. That is commercial this brace and step by step. So basically for this CNC and mini machines, the process could be 0.005 millimeters. So for these two CNC engraving and mini machines, they could be position. Okay, so so you guys can see this is our CNC engraving and mini machines. Okay, so after receiving these two machines, we will see our CNC central machines. Please see this. Okay, please see this way. You can see this our CNC central machines. That is machining the mold cavity. The mold cavity. So you can see this is CNC the holes and cap and snout. So is machining step by step, and all of this is authorized by the machines. So in here, the workers need to be skilled. Okay, after seeing these CNC central machines, you will see these big CNC central machines. For these machines, you can see this mold. This mold is very big, so you guys can see this mold is machine the hole. And for CNC machines, the hole could be the width could be 2 millimeters, and the depth could be less than 5 millimeters. So you guys can see this is machine the holes. Okay, so for this it could be three dimensions, X, Y, Z dimensions. Okay, so after seeing these machines, you can see here. So you guys can see this. This here is our mold. So you can see this is already assembled mold, and for here you can see this guy. Please help to close to the mold, and this you can see here. You can see here that is finished the mold cavity. So from here is the mold cavity. So it's by the CNC machines, and because it have not finished all these machines. So guys can see here, this the mold cavities, and for this is made by the CNC machines. Okay, so basically this is for our six CNC machines, and guys can see. Please have to see here. Here is is the dry hose. So you can see here is the this for the big hole to dry, and here is for the smaller hole. So you guys can see here it's very small, and this is also for the small hole to finish the machining. Okay, so guys can see here is for the CNC knives. Okay, so after finish this, you will see our EDM machines. Please help follow me this way. Okay. So from my hand, you can see here our EDM machines. You can see from this side, you can see here we have the dimension EDM machines. Please follow me this. And you can see here, here you can see this. You can see this is our, you can see here is our EDM machine, our EDM brands. You can see here. So you guys can see this. You can see here this hole is finished by the brands, and this is for the EDM machines that finish this. And you can see here, this is two dimension join, and this is for these EDM machines. Okay, so you guys can see this. Okay, so for this you can see this brands, that you can see this the shape. The shape is different as the normal, and you can see this hole is very deep, so it's hard to for the knife to inside the bottom. So you need to be use the EDM machine to finish this position. Okay, so this is for this knife is for the EDM machines we have do, and next you will see our smaller EDM machines. So you can guess, because here is 11 p.m. daytime, so for this smaller EDM machines is not working, but you can see this at the day night, at the daytime we are machining the blinds, and here is our the control that this is ordinary by this. So you can see this XYZ. So everything is controlled by the machines. Okay, so this is the smaller EDM machines. So guys, please see this. You can see here is our midi cutting knives. Thank you. And you can see here is our midi cutting knives. And because you can see here, this is for this knives. It could be used several times, and it mainly cuts the inside and injecting holes. So for this cutting knives, it could be the process could be 0.01 millimeters. So this is for the midi cutting knives machines. Okay, so this is also for the these two machines. It's also for the cutting knives that is cutting the snout and inside and the left holes. So basically, this is about our midi cutting knives. So from this, you guys maybe will be secure about our snow cutting knives. For this, you can see this room is very special, correct? And you can see this room is under the air condition. So please see this. So coming. Wow, this under this room is already cool. And for here, you can see this is our EDM machines. So please close the camera, close. So this is machining the blinds, and for the mold cavity. So for this blind is also for the this is also for the this machines is for the micro machines. So you can see this is for the for three dimension machines. So if guys have interested about this machine, you can contact our workers, and they will contact you in 24 hours. So you guys can see here. You can see here. This this is the for this is the price by the EDM machines. So for EDM machine, for this it could be reached 0.005 millimeters. So if you have the request, and we can also control it. So don't worry about what we can do. If you have if you have the request, we can do it. Okay. So this is the EDM machines, and for this direction, you will see our CNC and engraving central the CNC central machines. And for this, you can see this is our Macron brand. For the this is for the Japanese CNC machines. Okay, so you can see here. Please give the customer more close to here. Thank you. So you can see this machine is machining this for three dimensions. Okay, so you can see this is machining step by step, and for this machines, the process could be 0.005 millimeters. So this machines is under very process. Okay. Okay, thank you. And for here, you can see here as well. So you can see this for this, it need to be sorry. So everything is controlled by this area, and the workers need to be when it's finished and which is step. Okay, so you guys follow this way. You can see here. It's also these two machines is also for our EDM machines. That is the macro machines as well. And for here is our two-dimensional sphere. You can see here is this mold is for the teeth atoms. So you can see here. This is the mold cavity. You can see here, and this is the brand that it needs to be corrosion this cavity, and step by step. And you can see here this area, it is the same as this area. So for this mold, you can see this cavity. Is 60 cavities. For this mold, it's very small, but the cavity is very big. So it should be under this machine, on this more precision EDM machines. So you guys can see this. You can see this. We can also make your request. And for this, and you can see here, this is also for the EDM machine. That this is the oil that is crucial step by step. You can see step, and you could be up there, up down, and you can see here this. And for you can maybe you can guys can see all of this. We also have the two-dimensional files, and everything is to meet the customer request. So we our standard is to meet customer request. So if you guys have the mold request, so please contact us. We will meet your request. Okay. So the next you will see our snow cutting knives. So you can see this is our macro statical snowy cutting knives. So you can see here this knife is the price. So for this price, it could only use one time. So for this time, it's very expensive. Okay, so you can see here, this is, you can see this process here. You can see this is corrosion step by step. And for this, if you mold the cavity is very big, or your production is very big, so we suggest to use the snow cutting knives. So for this, it will help to smooth production. So for these machines, the process could be 0.005 millimeters. So you can guys see this computer. So you can see X, Y, Z, U, V, this direction, and this area. You can see this is machining this area. So basically that is about our it's about our mold machines. And for here we have 5 machines. Okay, for this 5 machines is more processed than the other side. Okay, so basically that is about our mold machines. So I guess you guys will be interested about our production workshop, right, Emily?
Yes, I'm here again. See ya.
Okay, I help
So,
you.
oh, thank you. You are so nice. Just follow my step. I will show you our production workshop.
Yeah, you can see this mold is very big, right?
Yes, this produced mold.
So you can see this mold is for this mold is very big. So you can see this
Wow.
our head here. So it is under my shoulder
Yes,
here.
the same flat with your shadow.
Yes. So
Very
for this
big.
mold, it's very big, and it's also very big mold for these machines. Okay.
Yes.
So this brand is me.
It's a Japanese brand. I think you must notice that we use many Japanese machines, as their production industry is very good. We trust their quality, as well our quality could be trusted too. And this is our largest production machine. If my memory is correct, let me show you it. Here, there is a screen. Many data will be input it. All production is automobile. And this machine, it could produce things with gas. Wow, 1,100 tons. So amazing.
Yes. For I remember Emily. For this mold, we already produced the baby bath. You remember? Yes.
Yes, but I can't see the samples. Hey, where is our assistant? Could you find the baby bag for us?
Maybe we can show this item to the customer if they are interested.
Yes. We can show you picture or videos later.
Yes.
But I can describe how big it is. It's almost cover the most area of Cindy's body.
Okay, so you can see here this mold cavity. So you can see here this mold.
Wow, so
see here.
amazing. I guess many of you haven't seen this before. For me, it's my first time to see this. It's really amazing and impressive.
Yes, so you can see here, this is the mold cavity, the cold mold and the cavity mold. You can see this, and the beside here is the injection machines. So when the production, and it could be closed and open. So you can see this. So you can see this is the atoms for this mold. And because for this mold, it's just for the T1 sample, we need to test it. So it's not very good. So next you will see more about items about our other products, right? Okay.
Yes.
So guys, we will see the next injection machines.
Oh, be careful here.
Okay.
Follow my step. Normally, these products are not turned out by magic. This is the manufacturer. Oh, arrived. This is our second machine. Our worker is checking the items made.
Okay, you guys can see here. You can see this is the brains, right? And this is the screw. So you can see this. You maybe you guys will be very scared about this brains is inside the after or during the injection molding. Actually, it's inside on the mold. So
Wow.
so you can see here. Please give here. You can see. Okay, because here the machine on the mold is is similar, so our workers is repair it. So basically this mold is under the rest. So don't worry, maybe we will fix it. It's very soon. Then you guys can see this production, and we will see how this inside mold inside bread into the mold. So you guys can see the more details, and if you are interested about this, we will send you a video or the picture so you can see all this. Okay, so next. Okay, so for this, Emily.
Yes, I can't wait to show them the next machine. Be careful. Wow, it's operating now. This is new product just made, and our workers is checking them. Look at this. These are written quality control documents to show if anything wrong happened. Every time when they made a quality control, they will make some written record here to see everything go well. So you can trust us with our production and our quality. Look at their face. They are so serious.
Yes, for this is glossy. You can see this surface is glossy. You can see
Wow.
it's very smooth and glossy.
Like a mirror.
Yes.
And the color is very beautiful, right?
And you can see here. This is the atom quantity report that you need to be. It have the standard that's about the price and the tolerance. So you guys can see our particle check the price. So you can see this. We are cutting the price and meet the customer request. And this you can see this. Okay, so this you can see is already finished. So you can see here it's very smooth. When I touch it, it's no problem.
Yes.
Okay, so you guys maybe will be secure about this because this part is blind. So and inside is no any rib to hold on. So it will be traced. So you need to have this atom to make it not twist very much
to avoid
okay,
warpage.
So you guys can see here. You can see this. Be careful for this. That okay. So maybe you will take more time to wait the next shot. Okay. So you guys can see here. This is the injector pin gate, and so you can see here everything. After this after machining, we need to check and how it's work or not. So you guys can see this is the red box. It's for this it's not it can't be passed. So for this it can't be good. So we can't use it. So after checking this we need to our workers first will check the quarantine first. If they think it's not good. Okay, we will check everything as customer question or request. Okay, this is for these machines.
Yes, there are many other machines as well. Too many. Totally, we have 31 machines. And for following machines, they are not big enough. We do not only produce large items, but also smaller ones. For these small machines, they are all used for producing small
Okay, so you guys can see here this. So you can see here these items. So this you can see this is all finished from the mold, and this is the you can see this is the material symbol. I'm not sure you guys can see, it's very detailed. So for the atom, we can engrave the logo and or the letter on the mold. So like this is also for the customer logo. So if you guys can the request about the logo, we can engrave on the mold. So we can do it. Okay, so you can see this is also for this quality control. The report that the client which so you can see this is important that it needs to be controlled, and we need to pay more close attention to this. So after produce this, you can see these workers is checking. It need to check in the flash, and then it need to rub the surface and need to be control the surface. The surface can't be scratched. So you can see this, and okay. So this is about this mold, injection machine molds, and for here is also producing the atoms, and for this you can see here. So you guys can see here. This is the runner. You can see this is the runner. So you guys can see it's all this. The runner is a little longer. For this is the cold runner. So the runner is a little the runner material is a little more runner. So for this. So you guys can see this is the atom, and this is the runner. So you can see this is the atom. So basically this for this mold is very small. It's very small. So you guys can see it's only under this area. It's very small part. Okay, so for the mold, if it's very small, we can also handle it. And if you have the request for the big part, we can also do for you. Okay, so this is for this smaller injection machine molds. Okay, because now is the night. This mold is not working, and for here, you guys can see this. Please see this. So you guys can see here. That you can see here. This is no worker to handle it. So this is the atoms. This part is for the PP material. So for this transparent, for PP material, this transparent is also very good. And so you can see this operation, the mold operation. Okay, so you guys, you can please hold on it, and you will see the surprise part. Okay, give us the machine of a few seconds, and okay, the mold open, and the atoms be take out. So so you can see here the injection gate. This is the injection gate. No need to cut by the workers. It just cuts from the mold directly. So for this machines, in all these machines is ordinary and no need to control by the workers. So you can see, guys can see about what's a time for these machines, and also for you can guys can notice for this all of this is no any all this need to have the quality control reports. So you guys can see here it's also so you can see this for each 2 hours our workers need to confirm this atom and the quantity. If you can see this, if they are okay, they will say okay. If they are not, they will say no. So if the atoms is not okay, then everything they already finished the atom. We need to check the quantity again. So basically that is for these machines. Okay, thank you so much for guys to see detail about this mold and the injection machine. And okay, so you guys can notice that it's also for produce the same atoms. So yeah, you can see this for the mold. Okay. Okay, so for this here, this area, this area, you can see this. This is also for the PP material. That you can see this surface. You can see this surface. I'm not sure if you guys can see. So the transparent for the PP material in this part is very good. So and it's flexible, and you can see this transparent is very good, and it's no fresh and no black spots, because this is not for the for the food grade. So it produced by outside, and so you can see this materials. Okay. Okay, so this all this is for the machine for these injection machines.
Hey, I wonder what is our worker doing now?
Yes, the workers is checking the age. Is checking the age because this is a little fresh at the age, so we need to confirm the quantity first, and to avoid that it scratch people the hand. So after cutting the age, when I touch it, it's no problem. It's no problem.
Okay. So I wonder, maybe our audience wants to know about our machines. Can we show something we might missed before? And just look at here for this machine. And what kind of product it is making now. Wow, look at this. Cindy, is this your product?
Oh yes, it's for the customer brand items, and you can see here the workers because we already introduction that we need to confirm the quantity for each 2 hours. So you guys can see these workers to check the quantity, and you can see this. You can see this. For now, you can see this is 11 p.m. bedtime. So they already checked the quantity. So because it is good, so we already, you can see this time 11 p.m. bedtime. So they check this. It's okay, no problem.
And there will be more checks later, almost every 2 hours once time. And look at
this because this is already approved that by the customers. So this is the samples at the standard. Okay, so basically this is for this injection machines. Okay, thank you.
For anything else you want to see, just leave your requirement on the screen and we will show you.
Yes, correct.
For following, can we move forward now?
Sure. So you guys will see our clean room.
Wow.
So this for this direction you will see our clean room. And for this room you will see that for this clean room because you can see these workers need to wear the cap and that is mainly produce the food grade and transparent items. So for this room it is under the 7 degree. So if about the item that is food grade, so you can send your inquiry, then we will send all of this detail for you review. So if you guys have any more interesting about video, so all these details.
Wow.
Thank you. For our warehouse. So and because in the warehouse is it's almost 20. So the workers is not working now. So actually for this warehouse is our is for the raw material stocking and so everything is no smoking. So you can see this saying that it's a no smoking and everything is as the standard.
Yes.
And yes,
it's very important to put to forbidden fires here. We need to keep the safe of warehouse. It's not only to keep the safe of our material, but also the working condition of our workers.
Yes, and for this warehouse, actually, you can see this is our warehouse finish materials. So for this warehouse, it mainly stock the food grade and the transparent materials. So for this two warehouse, it have different functions. Okay, so this is for the two warehouse.
Yes, though we really want to show you how things put there, but you can imagine all material according to their kind and type usage, they were put on different shapes. So following, maybe it's time to bring back our point to the most exciting quality control department.
Yes.
Wow. We can show you. We must go through this this way, this itinerary, just as a review of our fantastic production workshop. Hey, Cindy, I heard one of your customer asked you a question.
What? What questions the customer?
Oh, is it Cindy speaking?
Oh, maybe. Okay. 走前去，走前去，走前去，你走前去。你不要走了，你走后面。Okay, so this guys say, this guy say, is this Cindy speaking? So this is the question. So actually, I'm Cindy, and I work for this company for 4 years. So I guess this is for my regular customer. So you guys can leave your message, and so I can see which customer. And so maybe you guys have still not know about me. So this is Cindy from ZetarMold China. Okay.
Ah, I see. Since you have introduced our CNC processing procedure, and someone is very curious about our EDM. He asked, how many year is our EDM machine?
For the EDM machines, I remember that when I come here, the EDM machines is under there. So I guess it maybe take 6 years on this our work factories. So basically for the EDM machines, we have 4 EDM machines. So for these stairs, you will see our design team. Okay, so you guys please stay upstairs. So guys, please be careful. And for this room, you will see our design and engineer teams. Okay, so for this direction, you will see an overview about our production injection machines. So you can see this. We have 31 injection machines. Okay, so you guys will be very have a all overview about our production workshop.
It's really speculant.
Yeah. Yeah, so I guess you guys will more know about our production workshop, and this from this direction, you can see this the production workshop, and from this direction, you can see this is our mold workshop. So
Yes.
you can see this from this direct for this direction. So maybe the camera can change.
Change the angle to see different areas.
Okay, so it looks from this direction. It's not very clean. So maybe we can step here to see
more about
the workshop.
Yes, just be careful.
This. Okay, so basically this this is about our mold and production workshop.
Yes.
Yes. So guys, you maybe will have basically about us. And now we will come into our quality control room. quality control room. Okay.
Finally, we reached our quality control department. Oh, seems we have walked so many steps. I think it's time to rest our mind and give some stir to our nurses. So, what will you prepare for us?
Yeah, we will have a surprise part. Surprise part.
Wow, that's really exciting. What is it?
Yeah, we have a discount that. Okay, I need help.
Hey,
Jerry.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
This is our assistant.
Okay, I need to give him a little space.
Yes, his English name is Jerry, but his Chinese name is Sun.
Hi.
Hi, and this is our first gift offered you, free samples. If you give us an order this month, we will offer you free samples, and you do not need to take over the shipping cost. And this is the second discount. When your order's amount has reached $1,000, we will offer you one discount.
Yes, and for this $2,000, that it will be 2% discount.
Yes.
And so you guys, yeah, if you mold, for example, if you mold in 2040 40 discount will be give you. So $3,000
Will increase as well.
Oh, this
Yes.
discount. So maybe I'm not sure here the connection is good now. The connection is good. The connection is good. Vicky, the connection is good. Okay, so we will show you first. Then our workers will check it, and for this big discount, so you guys can guess it.
Yes.
So okay, since this dun 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 dun.
And when your order's amount has reached $10,000, you will enjoy a 5% discount.
So guys, you guys, I guess you guys will be excited about this. So
Yes.
if you order, your mold price is $10,000, so it will be 500 discount will be give you.
Yes.
So for all these discounts, it's only for this month.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm not sure our workers tell that the connection is not good. So maybe we need to change a place to see all this. So please follow me this area to check the connection. I'm sorry that
is too large, so we need to walk everywhere to find the best place for good connection. Oh, that's really harsh.
so I'm not sure this area the connection is good. Maybe this connection maybe will be better now. Okay, I'm not sure this is okay.
Hey, could you see us?
Maybe we'll come back.
Could
Okay.
you see us now?
You guys can see us now.
Is the connection back to normal now?
Okay, so we will continue the topic.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, what will the following exciting step?
Yes, we will have the exciting part.
Wow, I'm really looking forward to it.
So maybe you guys can guess it. What is the exciting part?
can't wait to see it.
Okay, so what is the surprise part?
Just
That is
wait.
the dance part.
Wow! I hope the Wi-Fi connection will go back to normal more fast. I can't wait to it.
Okay.
Hey.
So our workers near our colleagues like Yeda and Mimi and Happy, they need to prepare for this dance.
Yes.
So you guys please give us more a few minutes to prepare the dance.
Yes, and waiting for the connection back to normal. During this period, if you have any questions or whatever you want to know about us, just leave your messages and questions here, and our colleagues will record them and contact you later and solve you all you want to know.
Yes, and please give us a like and follow us.
Yes, that will give us more confidence.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. And okay, so next week we need to give the stage to our colleagues, and we need to play the music. Okay.
Yes, since they have prepared. Is everything prepared of dancing? Okay, since they have prepared, maybe we can start the music now.
Okay.
Hey, where is the music? Our colleague has prepared.
You can play the music.
They have
The
prepared.
music. Come, the music. Yes,
Hello.
yes. The music.
They
Say hello.
Hello, say hello.
This is Yeda
This
and
is
Mimi. Happy.
Yeah.
Say hello to all these customers.
Hello, every customer.
Okay. Okay, so our music
Where's the
is
music?
coming. It's ready. Our music is ready. Okay, so it looks need one more time. Okay, the music is ready. The stage give you.
They give you. Hey, happy time is always so fast. Happy time is always so fast. Hey, Cindy, where are you?
Okay, so I guess you guys will be the dance maybe it's not enough, and we maybe these three guys they need to they should give the customer one time to show the dance. Because I noticed that one customer say they are not enough to see the dance.
And anything else? Have you prepared?
No, maybe the dance can be dance one time.
Yes, exactly. That's what I want. I want to watch that again.
Oh yes, me too.
So, hey, dancers, can you dance for us again? Wow,
Thank
they
you.
are so enthusiastic. Okay, let's enjoy the dancing.
Maybe you guys can dance several times to let the customer the eyes
to rest our minds and fresh the condition here. Thank you. Hey, where is our music? Thank you for your dancing. Really nice, really energetic. I'm so impressive about their dancing. Seems Cindy need to prepare some more big surprise for us. Maybe we can use this time to talk about what you guys have done during the quarantine time. You know, with the COVID-19, all the situation of the world is not very optimistic. Many guys have been prevented to go out. They have to stay at home. We Chinese experience the same time as well. What have you done during this time? I'm very curious about this. For my own, I remember that I was kept in the home for totally 3 months, doing cooking and reading is really boring. I hope all things we could overcome all these things and make things go back to normal. Since Cindy is back,
because the connection is not good, so we come back to this area and I just checked with our colleagues. So maybe the connection is better now. So we need to get back to the QC room. So everything we will show you guys all about the all this quality control process. And so you guys follow me this way.
oh, you really let us wait for a long time. What have you done?
Oh, I need to check the connection and confirm everything. So it takes some time. So maybe you guys miss me. Okay. So this area, please give us the quality control room.
Yes, since we have reached our quality control room again. Hey, Cindy.
Yes.
I heard that our colleague Maggie has a client who want to talk to her. Could you let Maggie to introduce her things?
Sorry.
I mean, our colleague Maggie has a client who wants to see Maggie. Is Maggie available now?
Oh, it looks not. So maybe we will show the customer about our quality control process first. Okay.
Really? That's really a pity.
Okay. So you guys can conduct introduction about all the production all the procession. Then we will show the customer about our 3-dimension, 2-dimension, and the marble table.
Yes. So I will introduce you the whole process of our quality control. First, as you have viewed before, we walk through our warehouse. At the beginning, we need to check all the material boards. We need to check the material boards, no matter they bought by ourselves or by our customers. We need to check their package to see if package is good. And if package were broken, that's very terrible. It means that content within the bags, within the package could be enrolled. That's not good. And we will check the brand of material to make sure it's the same with the original requirements. After that, we will have a written report to show the quality check is proved and is already made. Any document?
Yes. Okay. So first we the microphone. Okay. So for first we wish you can see this is all this about our quality control fairs. Okay.
Seems very heavy.
Yes. So for only one part, we will have all these documents. Okay, so first, you can see this and this one.
Yes, this is what I talked before.
Okay. Yes. For this fair, we will when the material coming, then we will check the material and like the packaging.
Yes.
And the brand is the same as the customer request. Okay. So you guys can see this. So you can see all these details that you can see. Okay. This for this area, material and color and something like this is sweet or it's broken like this. Okay. So this is the documents.
Yes.
Okay, so we just got a message from our colleagues that the customer want to see Maggie, so we need to cut the Maggie into our screen. Maggie, say hello.
Hi,
Hello.
Andy.
Oh, Andy, the customer is Andy.
Yes.
Okay, so Andy, so this is Maggie, and so you guys can see, and this is all about the Zetar, and all of this. We are young and we are full of energy.
Yes.
Okay, so you guys have any question, and Maggie will reply. Andy.
Yes. Any question, Andy?
Okay, so maybe because we can see the texture in this side, so we maybe the customer need to ask them, we will email them.
Yes, I will email you if you have any question, Andy.
Okay. Thank you, Maggie. Thank you.
Hi. Bye.
Okay, so we need to continue about the QC procession.
Yes.
Okay.
After seeing this dormitory, then since material has confirmed, they will be put on shelves, as I said before.
Okay.
Yes.
This detail
Yes.
and the weight,
The weight.
atoms, and the quantity about the packaging.
Yes.
So only check all this atom. The workers will if it's at the standard, then it could be stock on our warehouse.
Yes.
So the warehouse is that we showed
Before.
yes, before the two warehouse. Okay.
And there is another document. Could you show us?
So the next in the same times we need also check the color, because the customer then we have the color request.
Yes.
Okay. So you can see this.
Yes.
So
This
the
is-
color. So you can see. You can see this color, the code about the color, and the branch. It means that when it produced.
Yes.
So and this date is for when the material come in here. So you can see this is last year the material, the color material. Okay. So because after checking first, it's okay to stock. Okay. So this is for the material, the color material. So first we will check the material about the raw material and the color material. After it's okay as the customer request, then it come into our warehouse.
Yes. And then when we need to use them without authority, no one has the right to come to the warehouse and let her learn to use these materials. The written document look like this. Cindy is looking for it.
Yes.
As there are too many documents.
Okay. So you can see you guys can see this in the for the T1 sample that It first checked by the workers during the production workshop. You guys already see that it first checked by the workers, and then then after the T1 sample is okay, then our QC workers will check for each 2 hours.
Yes.
So you can see this is the sample report, and in here to see the dimension. You can see here this is the dimension, and the appearance is okay or not. And for this, you can see this it means that it needs to be meet the joy and the technology. And if it is okay, then we will write here yes, and this is no. Okay, so basically for the sample report, we need to check first by the workers. Okay.
Yes.
And this is all this about the sample report for the T1 sample.
Yes. This is what happened after our workers to use this material. They need to use related documents for apply for materials, and then this material with authority will be sent to our production workshop. They will make first samples, and first samples will experience many inspections.
Yes, the T1 sample will also send the customer to check.
Yes.
And if the customer say I need to improve it, we can also to change at your request. And if you say it's okay, then we will move the production and come back to the T1 sample. And you can see this. For this, you can see this is for the chips.
Yes.
And for chips is the T1 samples. And because it is the food atoms, so you can see this is our certification.
Yes.
And this is for our food
industry grade.
Yes, for this we have the quantity to produce food atoms.
Yes, they are safe.
Yes, all of this under the self, and you guys don't worry about this. It will be worry about the environment and so on.
Yes. What's this?
And it also for the food grade certification.
I see.
And okay,
this is the improvement of our operating. We are lawful. Don't worry, we are very lawful.
Okay. Yes. And for because I already said that we will check during the production. We will check the atom for each 2 hours.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. I see you bring many documents for us. It's very thick.
Because you can see this. You can see here. You can see this is the time. You can see this 8, 10, 20, and so on. You can see until the 6 p.m. So for this is the time for each 2 hours. We need to check the quantity, and what we check this. You can see this. We need to check to smell it.
Yes.
And check the appearance.
Yes.
Like the appearance like that. It have the fresh and the black spots.
Yes.
And
they are not good.
Yes. So for this is for the appearance, and the structure. Structure is that we need to check it by the tuning and the 3-dimension checking and 2-dimension checking and the marble table. So, and for this structure, we will show the customer.
Yes. Normally, we will use color or collector to check the structure, the size, and other precision requirements. I will show you. me and Cindy, we will show you this later. But now we need to, see these terms here to see how many weight it can undertake and the fidelity and other features.
Yes, you can see here this is the waterproof. Like the customer it have the waterproof, we need to also test it. And you can see this because the customer is no request about the waterproof, so it not check. But if you your item near the roof, then we need to test it.
Yes.
So basically, the final result is after checking about many the appearance and the structure and the waterproof and something else you request. Then we will see the T1 sample is good or not.
Yes.
So this document is for each 2 hours. We will check the production and the samples.
Yes, your microphone.
Okay.
If they are good, there will be written record here to say okay. And this Chinese for this means to say there are many times of checking. And the inspector will sign their names here. When anything wrong, all things will go back to the beginning to look for the reason why we make a mistake. And the inspector will take responsible for the inspection. Anything wrong, he will take responsible for it for his checking.
Yes, so you can see this. So for all this appearance, smell, or the structure is based on the customer request. Okay, so for like this item, the customer requests about the fresh. The fresh is not it can be fresh and it not it can't have the oil. So and this is for the customer request. Okay, so for this quality control report, so you can see this for each. So you can see this item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all this is based on the customer request. Then so for this is the quality control report.
Yes, after all things has conformed, we will make a inspection, and then all goods will be put in the warehouse. We are counting them, and sometimes we need to do package. There are many customers, they choose to packaging and assembling goods here. And here, Cindy will show you packaging document.
Okay. For this packaging, because you can see this potato item, the customer not have the request about the like this. No request about this color packaging. So first I will show you guys about the normal packaging. So you can see this the customer request on which box need to pack how many pieces. You can see this for this box it need to pack 5,500 pieces. So after pack this, we will check. The next workers need to check this. Okay, all this quantity is the same as the customer.
Yes,
So,
the quantity
yeah.
need to be right as well as quality.
Yes, quality. And for this is the normal packaging. And for this, we also do the color packaging.
Yes, it's customized. We can package it depending on your requirements. You offer ideas, and then we realize it for you. This texture, these texting are all depending on your requirement. What you want to show on it, we can printing it and customize them for you.
Okay, so you can see also this is for the packaging.
A different package.
Yes. So if the customer have the request about the packaging, you guys can leave your and all this your requirements, and we will send you the codes, confirm all the details with you.
Yes. First, you offer your ideas, and then we will make samples first. We will make tooling and make first samples. First samples will be sent to you for free to check. Only when you check all things and confirm all things, we will use first sample as a standard, and all things will go into mass production.
Yes, so you can see this is the packaging report.
Yes.
So you can see this. You can see this array that the atom can be touched. The master box, this will be touch the atoms. So it requests not be due date. So
yes.
For this, the pack the how this atom need to pack in the box, and how many pieces will be packed. It also have the all details request. Then we will do this report. Okay, so
yes.
you guys can see this.
Yes, I know many of you may have special requirements for packaging, how things put in box or cartons. Normally we have 3 ways of delivery for air, for express. Express, they use the short time, but when you choose to use sea freight, it's very long. So there is a risk that goods might get damaged during the journey. So it's very important to decide how these goods be packaged. So many of them have separate small package like bags or foam or anything else, soft material to protect products. And then there will be a auto box for each product if you need them. Some more cautious customers, they will choose to put all small box into a large auto carton. And then these all cartons could be packaged and make a pallet to make all things, all boxes stick to each other firmly to reduce the wiggle during the journey. And our product will be safe and sound to reach your home. Also, before we send things to you, we need to make a final check. Though it's very important to avoid any possible damage during the shipment, it's important to avoid any damage at the beginning. In our warehouse, we need to make a final quality control checking to make sure things before they ship to you, they are good. Hey, where is Cindy? Oh, she needs to prepare something. So maybe we can wait for her as she talks before she prepared some gift for us. I'm really feel curious about what will they be. Hey, Sun, where is Cindy? She will be back. Waiting is so long. What will our price be? She said before that we will have a lottery time. I want to know more about it, but since she hold all secret and haven't told me before, so in my mind the answer is still in the air. I know nothing about it. When will she be back? Quite long. So maybe we can make use of this period to show you the overview of our quality control department. There are many machines, and our workers is doing their duty to checking all things, make sure everything go on correctly and normally. Nothing bad happened. Hey, these are our document cupboard. All these are the documents for quality control as well as other drawings. You know, our main business is injection mold. We make mold customized. If you have any or inquiry, and we can realize it for you. For mold, we can leave them in our warehouse to produce things for you. And we call them produce used machine mold. We check them every 6 months, and for mold, before we make the bats, we also do quality control on our mold. We will check their condition to see if any erode by air. We won't allow the condition. We will roll on our machines to keep them in good condition and could be used any time for mass production. Hey, seems Cindy has back.
Yes.
Where are you?
Because the customer has several questions.
Wow.
So this is all these questions that the customer requests. So we will leave 50 minutes for you guys to answer your questions. So next we will show you 3-dimension checking, 2-dimension checking, and this marble table for check our quantity. So first, let's see this 3-dimension checking.
Yes, you go out too long. I almost think you have forget these machines.
No, the customer is with me, so it cannot be.
She's so popular.
Okay, so you can see this is in this dimension. So you can see this pin is skin the atoms and this dimension. And after check this, you can see all these atoms will show on the computer. So for this 3-dimension checking, we can check the mold and atoms. So next, the camera please close here. You can see this is the atom, the product that we just to check the dimension, and that we after check from the machines and compare on the computer, then we will see where it's not correct and anywhere to conform and to improve. So basically, this is for the 3-dimension checking. For the check the mold and atom, that's for the shape is different is different at the normal, and like the holes it's very deep to check the dimension. Okay, this is for the for our 3-dimension checking. And next we will show you guys about the 2-dimension checking. So so you can see for this atom, and because this atom although is round, but because it's a little softer, so it's very hard to mention the dimension by the tuning. So you need to check by the 2-dimension checking. So now you can see this worker is check the data diameter for these round atoms. So you can see here, he is checking from this side to this side to check the max diameter. Okay, so you guys can see this, and computer, you can see here, he is finding, yes, he is finding the max area to check the dimension. Okay, so for here you can see this is checking for X, Y, Z. Yes. So for you can see this is for our two-dimension checking machines. You need to check the X, Y, Z dimension. You need to check the 3-dimension and check the current the size. The size is the same as the customer's drawing. Okay, so you guys please hold on, and we need because we need to check all this from different direction to check the size. Okay, you can see this. Okay, so you guys give the camera to this computer area. Okay, so for okay, so you guys can see here this final results, that is X, Y, Z for the dimension, that to check the round atoms. So basically for this two-dimension checking, that if the size for the two-dimension checking is hard to check, and then we will use the 3-dimension checking. Okay, the next we will show you these machines. Okay, for this, you can see this detail need to be mixed is very large to see all these details. Okay, so you can guys see here. We need to make to check all these details is good or not. For you can see for this atom, actually it's very small. You can see it's very small. So we put on this machine, and it can be see all these details very detailed and very clean. Okay, so if your atom is very small, and we need to check the quantity and see all the details, we will use these machines. And next we will see okay, we will see this marble table. Maybe we need to help you. You need to help our customer to check. Maybe we check this first. Okay.
How to use our marble test?
Okay. The marble table. Maybe I will show this customer. I can use it. Okay.
I believe you.
Okay. So first show this. Okay. So we need to put to find our atoms. Okay. So you guys please hold on.
Give us some time to prepare. We will show you how to use marble desk to measure the flatness of items. Is this the sample we will use? Hey Cindy, is this the sample we will use?
For this atom, I guess I remember that it's for the electronic parts, hoses. And so, guys, please see this. You can see these atoms when we have to test the dimension. You can see it when you have to use the tuning to check the dimension, and we need to use this machine. So you can see this. We need to check we need to check this area to this area because here this size is hard to check, so we need to use this machine. So first we will check is 你可以给他展示吧，展示。首先
Please show us how
Yes.
to use this. She is checking the thickness. Hey, Cindy. What are you holding?
And this, you can see this here is the customer request. So the dimension is finally is 2 points. So the final part, yes, correct. So you can see this is the customer request 23.8, and the final part is also under this request. So after checking by these machines, the items is approval and is good. So next for this I will show you this marble table.
Wow, exciting time. Cindy will show this on her own.
Okay, so here. Okay, so the microphone is it dropped down.
Her microphone is so naughty.
Okay, so yes, thank you so much. And so you can see here, this is the customer request about the flatness is 0.5 millimeter. You can see here, and then I need to check for this flatness.
The tool
see
she
here.
used is plug gauge.
You can see here is 0.5. To check the flatness is good. You can see here. You can see here. This tunic can't insert insert inside. So you can see here. So
Do you mean the gap here is smaller than
Yes,
0.5
yes, correct. Yes, correct.
millimeter?
yes, if the gap is larger than 0.5, then this will be inside. But you
put
can see
inside.
here. Yes, you can see here it can't be inside. So this gap is good and meet the customer request.
Yes.
Okay, so basically this is about our quality control procession, and next. So
Yes.
next week we have the
Exciting sample time.
Yes.
I think you have noticed our cupboard for samples here.
Okay.
Which part do you want to show us, Cindy?
Okay. So first, I will show you about our own model
Oh,
part.
be careful, be careful.
Okay. So sorry.
Okay, I will help you.
Okay. So you can see this is our model part, and
Yes.
and you can see here this edge. You can see this edge. It's very smooth and it's very good. And maybe I have a US customer. He asked me a question that the old mode is tight or not, and how I can use it.
We can test it for him now.
Maybe I'm not sure this is maybe this one. This one is maybe
It's a good example.
okay.
Let us drag it
Okay, so
and show how tight it is. This is the plastic part and this is soft material. Let's drag it now. Oh,
you can see.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's very
But
tight.
yes, it's very strong.
And
you can
it,
see.
yes, look at here.
It looks like all these parts it's fit together. It looks like one part, and actually it's overmold. This is area is by the TBR part, TBR, and this is the hard plastic. So it's TBR and the ABS part overmold parts all together.
I have a question.
Yes.
What's the hardness of TPR we can use?
Maybe for usually we use 16 South A for the softer material softer overmold parts.
Yes.
If it's too hard or too soft, it's very this overmold area is very hard to fit together.
I see.
Yes. Okay. So the next I just noticed. I just noticed that the customer is interested about the transparent part.
Okay,
So
let's
this-
look for this side. All transparent parts. Hey Cindy, could you
Yes.
choose a typical sample for us?
Okay. This you can see this, and this is our transparent part.
They're beautiful.
Yes. The outlook is very good.
Its appearance is very good.
So you can see there is no any black spots. And the thickness is 2 millimeter to 3 millimeters. But for
Yes.
this, it's more than 3 millimeters.
That's
so
amazing.
you need to be the extreme machines need to be very good, and the workers have rich experience to do this transparent part.
That's to say, to make this part, we need very hard
Yes.
technique. Engineers need to be very professional.
Actually. And because you can see this area is that we have made for our customer, and this the sample room is also our sample room actually.
Yes.
Yes. So basically, because the time is limited, we show this atom, and if the customer interested about our more atoms, then we will show you guys the videos, so you guys will see more about our atoms, and all of this will follow you guys as soon as possible. And maybe actually it say 24 hours.
Oh, I really want to show them samples
Yes.
to show them how
I also
professional
want-
we are.
Okay. So because the time have the exciting part. Yes. We have the
Lottery time.
lottery draw times.
Yes.
Okay. So we will have 3 prize for these guys that we guys to watch our live show.
Yes.
And because now it's only 10 minutes to left.
Yes. You guys, if you want to win our prizes, you can leave your messages here, and we will make screenshots for the first 5 guys leave on the screenshots. They will win the 3rd prize. Hey, do you know what 3rd prize are?
Because the third maybe because we have the 3 gifts for the customers, so we will only have 1 minute to show the customer. Actually, the gifts I think is very good, because when I come, I already said that when I come to this, I come back and the customer have lots of questions. You can see there's lots of questions. So the lottery draw, we will give 1 minute to the customer, and so we will continue.
For the question time?
No, the lottery draw.
Okay, so
Yeah.
just start. you leave your message here and we will do the screenshot. And now you just follow me to count from 3 to 1. Just start. 3, 2, 1. Let's reveal who will be the winners.
Yes, Jerry is here to help us to see which customers win the prize. Okay, so maybe we need to help us to see
the screenshot.
Okay,
please give us a photo of the screen.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, the first prize is the Photoshop or photo frame.
No, I think you mixed up them.
Okay.
It's the third prize. I will see the screenshot for the lucky guys.
Yes.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is the first prize. So I'm not sure if this connection is good.
Oh, seems we cannot see the names here. Maybe
maybe you guys can leave your message and we will to check which 3 guys can win this all these gifts. And now it's the time to answer the guys' questions.
Yes, but we have leave the message of lucky guys, and we will send you gifts later.
Okay, so the first question is this guys ask the questions.
I'm curious.
Okay.
This is what our colleague records. The questions.
So do you make the design of the course?
Yes.
Of course. Well, because we just introduced that we have 10 engineers. So if you guys have the design request about the item and the packaging, we will do for you. Of course, we can do that for you. Okay. So this is the first question. Okay. And the next question is.
What's the second question?
How will you do if the mold are not working when they arrive? Actually, for the export mode, we will suggest the customer to do 1,000 pieces. So we need to first to check all the mold is working well.
Yes.
So next we will to check to pack the mold. Okay, we will check because the connection is not good, so we need to move this to this area. Okay.
And our factory is too large, so the connection will be wrong from time to time. Please forgive us for this point. Thank you. Thank you for your kindness.
So next we will continue answer the guys' questions. Okay. So maybe we need to come back to the beginning area. So I think this area is with us.
It's the best place with the best connection, right?
Okay,
back again.
Back again. So the question is, how did you do if the mold not working when they arrive? Actually, the first we will suggest the customer to do a small running production like 1,000 pieces to check all this the mold processing is good.
Yes.
And then we will pack well about the mold and pack into the wooden box.
Yes.
To check all this.
Yeah, in good condition and send them to you. You can choose the way of shipment. What's the third question?
Oh, sorry.
Same thing is to tell. Could you give her some minutes to have a drink of water?
Okay, don't worry.
Oh.
Okay, continue the mode export mode question.
Okay.
Then, if the mode if the mode is not working, then we will send you you guys the video to guide you how to repair the mode complaints. Yes. Then if it's still not working, then our engineer will come to your factory and your country to see and repair it. So you guys don't worry about the export mode.
Yes, our warranty service is very good. Don't worry about it.
Oh yes. Actually to say that about the export mode, we didn't have the customer compare about that the mode is not good.
Yes.
Yeah. And the next question is, how long will you do this QC records? Actually, we will keep our quality control record for 2 years, and for some important the quality control documents, we will keep it 5 years. So you guys don't worry about it, and because now it's the electric world, so everything is have it on this computer.
Yes. You can view anything happens. If you want to know, we can show them to you by computer, by the internet.
Yes, and the next question is about where do the mold be regular maintained?
Yes.
So you can see our workers is already answered the questions.
Yes.
Actually, yes. We will maintain our mold for 6 months. For each 6 months. So you can see that for just on this production workshop, we need to maintain the mold
In good condition.
regularly. Yes.
Yes.
And we will answer the next questions.
Yes.
Because the time is really goes so fast. Okay. So the next question is so you will take out products by robot.
Robots.
Yes. The answer is correct. Yes. And just you have seen that on the mod production workshop,
Yes.
that this item is taken out by the robot.
Yes.
So whatever the customer has the request about the big part or the small part, and the partner to be altered, then we can also do that for you.
Yes.
Okay. So because these questions, we only answer this question because the time is really limited.
Yes. We only choose the few questions from a large amount of questions. And for the remaining questions, if you still have any confusion, just leave your message and questions here.
Yes. And don't forget to give us a like and follow.
Yes.
Yes. And because I want to say again, because the time is really limited.
Yes.
And we will have
another
show
show on 30 September. So just looking forward to it. Our colleagues will see you again. For us, we have to say goodbye now.
Because at this live show, we will mainly show you our office workers and our engineer team. So you guys, I have noticed noticed that all of these guys are very interested to see our engineer teams.
Yes.
So at September 13, we will show you all this about our engineer teams.
Yes.
So you guys, please continue to like and follow us.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching these videos
Thank
and
you for your time.
compare us for this 2 hours. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.
You guys, if you have any questions, please leave your message and our workers will contact you. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.
See ya.
Yes, so guys can see again about our mold workshop. Okay, so guys have any questions and we will send you a video and anything we will to send you. Okay. Super. 非常好。结束了？还有没有留言？看等一下。